Grabe tong pasabog ng Philippine Navy. Inanunsyo na magsasagawa ang militar ng large-scale live fire drills sa Bajo de Masinloc. Mga fighter jet lumipad na para bang may aatakihin. In preparation na ba to sa posibilidad ng digmaan sa Scarborough Shoal? Chinese Foreign Ministry, pinaatras na ang lahat ng barko sa naturang exercises zone. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Ang China sobrang naalarma sa anunsyo ng Philippine Navy patungkol sa large-scale exercises. Ang military drills na gagawin ay nagpapalala lang daw ng tensyon sa South China Sea. Kaya itong China, pinaatras na lahat ng barko sa Bajo de Masinloc. Ang Bajo de Masinloc nga ay diniklara ng Chinang Nature Reserve Establishment. Posibleng sakupin talaga yan ng China. Kaya para sa Philippine Navy, dapat paghandaan na ang gera dyan. Depensa naman ni Commodore Roy Vincent Trinidad, hindi Pilipinas ang nagpapalala ng tensyon. Ang patuloy daw na agresyon at mabubuli ng China ang totoong nagpapalala ng gulo.
There is questions that we are accused of stoking tensions in the Western Sea. These accusations are baseless. The area is covered by a notice to airmen that covers activities that are pre-scheduled, duly coordinated, and approved between the Philippines and her treaty allies. Actually, the Philippines has been on the receiving of coercive and aggressive actions. We have not claimed what is not us. We have been, on the other hand, we have received a lot of coercive and aggressive actions. Numbers do not lie. People do. So, facts will tell us that we have not been, nor will we be, the reason for aggression West Philippines.
Palahok nga sa pagsasanay ang US Navy warship destroyer at US Air Force fighter jet. Mula sa Subic Air Force Base, lumipad ng FA-50 fighter jet at F-16 fighter jet ng Amerika. Animoy susugod ito sa Bajo de Masinloc. Kita sa actual video footage mula sa residente sa Zambales ang paglipad ng mga fighter jet. Nag-issue naman ang warning ang Armed Forces of the Philippines sa lahat ng dadaan dyan, mapabarko man o eroplano. Iwasan ang pagdaan sa exercises area dahil posible kayong matamaan.
Issuing notices to airmen and mariners is a standard procedure of professional militaries to inform the international community of aircraft and ships transiting the area. If you recall, sometime last year in Eastern Australia, the PLA Navy conducted live fire exercises without informing Australia and civil aircraft and ships passing the area. Those actions caused undue alarm.
Tama lang na patrasin ng China ang mga barko nila dahil legal at may basihan naman ang military drills. Kung patuloy nga na magagalit ang China, wala na daw dyan paki ang Philippine Navy. Dahil within 200 nautical mile EEZ ng Pilipinas ang exercises zone.
These exercises are well within our EEZ, areas that we have sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction. It includes Bajo de Masinloc. It is more than 600 nautical miles from mainland China. No provision of international law supports their claim or their accusation.
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa gagawing large-scale military drills ng AFP at US? Komento sa baba nyo sa lobby.